Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Luminesce face sculptor review. That by the end of this video you will find that whether it's a legit product or another scam. So if you just go to YouTube and search for multiple YouTube videos, analyze this product, one, this is a completely a scam, right? I'm not able to find the website of this product. I don't know. There's a nothing luminance.com or nothing. If I just go here, the website is completely different, right? This is just a product. And as you can see here, I'm not sure whether this is a genuine website of this because I'm not able to find. And you will read a lot of reviews state that the website blocked the Luminance website for security reason, indicating it will be unsafe, of course, right? I can just find it over the Amazon, but I'm not sure whether that's the company that is providing this product. And review on Trustpilot are overwhelmingly negative. I don't know, maybe the website has been removed, that's why I'm not able to find it over the Trustpilot as well, with user reporting not receiving their purchase item and accusing the company of being fake. Suspicious product claim. The Luminance face Sculptor claiming to be providing anti-aging and skin tightening benefits, right? Using, I don't know what technology they're using, but the legitimacy of this technology is questionable, right? Unrealistically claim of effectiveness without scientific backing or common tactics used by scam products. And there's no transparency. The identity of this website, even right now I'm not able to find this website, even though if I just write here Sculptor and nothing, right? So this is the only website which I'm getting right now, right? And if I just come to this website, the reviews and everything is fake. The video has been imported and each and everything, right? I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a no review, nothing. So this is a completely you by the end. In conclusion, the overwhelmingly negative reviews, low trust scores, suspicious website attributes, and lack of transparency strongly suggest that this website, is a scam product that should be avoided. I hope you found this information really useful. Subscribe.